Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like a paradise. Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like a paradise.
希望给了我新的力量，当着光照向远方，结束我独自流浪。你是那道光绽放，内心深处忧伤的向往。你是那道光射向模样，你是那道光。
黑暗中照亮世界，那么给你一束光。我想站在珠峰最高处，再为你开扇窗。穿过大街小巷，也看过熙熙攘攘的人群中，他们像是跳蚤市场。在盲目不断的年代，还模仿着别人的东西，并强行捆绑在一起，维护着所谓的真理。在儿时做的梦，我想努力实现，贯穿着理想与现实主义，有新的画面，努力去证明自己价值，并不断沉淀。短暂的漂泊，只是暂时，也不能疲倦。 有无数挑战，也得要继续向前走，体会现实的窘迫。跌倒后就沉默，但你要记得你对家里曾经许下承诺。当初曾不顾一切告诉他们外面世界辽阔，才发现灯红酒绿，社会处处充斥诱惑着我，疲惫不堪的一人待在角落，就像是一个废弃物品，注定被人遗落。但我要打破规律的生活，执着的像是拿破仑滑铁卢去重新铸